Another exciting day at Faithart Design Studio. You know, I just published the Sunshine Serenity Kit 1, 2, 3, and I realized, well, that's great. Now we've got lots of yellow papers. Now we need some pink papers. So Pink Parfait 1, 2, and 3 is launching today. Let me show you these luscious, just, oh, scrumptious papers. Pink Parfait number 1. Here we go. I've done a lot of collaging for you. Now, some of these I've already double printed, so don't look on that side. Look over here. This is the new ones. And see, I've added some really fun, all of the flowers, and we've got words, and we've got washi tape, and we've got tickets, and we've got just so much fun collage. The good news about all these papers is you can use this whole piece of paper, right? You could use it in a tall skinny. You could use it in a half. You could sit here and cut out parts of it that you like and use it that way. Added a playing card to some flowers. And we've got the beautiful woman, and then the kind of retro soft. So they're just lusciously soft. Postcards. Lots of tickets, clocks. And then in every kit, like I did with the Sunshine Serenity, I've included 6 tags that these are not the same papers, but they coordinate. So the trick is, if you were to print all 3 sets tags and print them once or twice, you would have like, what would you have, 6 times? So you'd have 18 new tags that are going to coordinate. And then I always give you some other little piece. And so this one is 4 note cards. Oops, I already printed that. Okay, so that's Parfait number 1. Number 2, we've got, okay, let me get this turned over. Here we go. We've got some Paris, and we've got some fun French old graphics that I've gotten to be able to use. Lots of script. I love the script. Lots of fun, like French. This is more of a French kit if you're interested. Any of this kind of French stuff. There's the girl that was on the back of that other kit. Because I've printed these on both sides for my use. Here's another one. This is like an old French invoice. And some of these are on cardstock. That's why they're different. Here's another with some French in it. So this is, number 2 is a lot of French accents to it, and some numbers, and some just gorgeous damasks, right? And just really, really fun stuff. And here's of the 6 tags. I love these tags. Again, I'm trying to pull out colors and designs that will coordinate with all of these kits. And then in this one, you get the messy stitched edges. You get 4 of those. Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3, let's see what we have in number 3. Again, you've seen some of these on the back. So there's just with some additional black and white flower graphics, some fun washi tape. This is from an old invoice. I love this. I added the hand with the clock. Isn't that fun? And then I just think this is so pretty. And this is all script monograms, which is fun. I added that as a design. Love this pretty background. A little bit of blue in it. That's okay. And then, of course, we have to have some gingham, but then we've got to get some French writing and some flowers. And then, of course, I have to have in the Sunshine Serenity, there's one very similar to this, but the flower is yellow. So this one is our big pink flower. Some old-fashioned pictures on these pages. Some nice stripes. Here's, whoops, there was one more page in there. And here's another one. I loved this fun old vintage graphic on there. I had to put that in there. And here's your 6 tags. And in this kit, you get 4 postcards. So as you can see, oh, that was supposed to be in there. Yeah, that was in there. Sorry about that. See, I've moved everything around so many times. So that's the number 3 kit. And then I have been having fun working in my newest Faith window kit, the Resurrection Hope. I'm sorry. Talked too much today. And I realized I wanted some numbers. So I quickly made a grunge number ephemera kit for us. I think you're going to love this. Okay, so here is grunge numbers, big, small, tiny, whatever. Actually, these numbers are all from my amazing numbers in the Bible kit. I just pulled them out and put them on a kit. And then these are fun because this is AI. I mean, I created it, and it's just kind of like a license plate or something. So I gave you 2 of those, but see, you can cut these. So you could cut 1, you could cut 3, you could cut a square. That's why I made them this way. And then you just have pages and pages of vintage numbers. Okay, there's 1 set. So all told, in this kit, there are 365 pieces that are numbers. So I've given you as much as you want to sit and cut out. And I gave you some kind of pink ones because they'll go with the pink Parfait kits, right? And some more of those. And then I did this really fun, grungy numbers. Again, this is like 1 block, but you could cut it in half if you'll notice. Okay, so you can use these in so many different ways. And then the last one was, I decided I wanted some circles with numbers. So I've given you 1 to 10, right, in those grunge numbers. And then all these, I made these in AI. But they're just really fun. They've got numbers and little round things. So some of these you can punch out if you have the right punch. So that is that kit. 4 new kits coming today to Faithart Design Studio. Well, if you get the pink Parfait and you already got the Sunshine Serenity and then you get the numbers, you are ready to go to make some fantastic junk journals. Please like this video, please share this video, and I hope that you will go to my Etsy shop and get these kits, and let's get junk journaling together. And as we make our junk journals, we will be infusing them with faith.